Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be reversal. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please, use your own discernment, okay? I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Give me that accurate and true reading, please. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Who is coming towards to my fellow Scorpios? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Let me see your energy in this reading, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I am now here inside the house. First, we have the Eight of Pentacles. This is a Virgo energy. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo or you are attracting a Virgo. Of course, not all of you. Could also be a group of 8 people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I feel like for most of you guys, you are concentrating on your work. You are focusing on your financial success and stability. And you are halfway there. You already here in the Eight of Pentacles. Number 8 is your 8th house. This is related to your abundance. Congratulations. Others of you, you are advised to study further, or you are having a self-mastery. You are gathering some information because you are already having 2 steps ahead in order to beat this financial success and stability. I feel like there are lots of people who are viewing you that you are always focusing, you are always working. Others of these people, guys, they believe that you are always thinking of money, money, money. But the truth is not. For some of you, this is like you are only, this is your hobby. For some of you, your work is your hobby. Or it could also that this is a creativity and you are focusing your energy because you believe that you have a financial success and stability. Could also be that for some of you guys, it's because of your painful experience in the past and that you alchemize the painful situation in the past into a hobby or into your work. And that's why you are already here in the Eight of Pentacles. Congratulations. You could be born on the 8th of the month. Number 8 is significant here. 88 is also significant. For most of you, this is your 8th house. I feel like there are people who wants to distract you. The universe advises you to stay focused. This person or group of people who wants to distract you, other people, could be in your past. They doesn't want you to have a financial success and stability. For whatever reason, if you have nothing to do with them, it's because of jealousy and envy. It could also that this person or group of people are feeling entitled to your legacy because they have seen that there is growth in everything you do. Could be a Virgo is involved here or a group of 8 people. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The challenge here is the 9 of staves, which is the 9 of wands. You are too tired, but you are determined to continue your work. I feel like for some of you guys, there are people who viewed you that you are standing in your integrity. Of course, you are, because you are very resilient. And aside from that, you feel like you are too tired, but you determine to continue your work because you doesn't want your detractors will win. And that's why you want to prove to your detractors, to the people who are discriminating you, that you cannot create something, that you cannot do anything. You want to prove them that they are wrong. Could also be that in the past, there are lots of people who are using and abusing you because of your compassion, your generosity, and your kindness towards on them. Now they couldn't in and out of your life because you put a clear and healthy boundaries. Could also that this person, a group of people, created too much burdens in your life in the past. Normally, these are the past people. A group of 9 people. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Or you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And in the past, these are the people who cause too much burdens on you. Because they doesn't want you to be always around them, that you are always supporting them, especially financial matters. Of course you are, but you are tired and sick because they are only using and abusing you. They are not reciprocating your value. You stand on your integrity. You are very resilient and you rise above the tribulations. It could also be that for some of you guys, you need to rest. You don't need to work harder if you are tired. Take a rest because all works and no play makes a dull boy or a dull girl. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that if you are working hard in the past, rest assured that it is going to be paid off. Because this is the 9 of staves. This is the completion. You release. This is the release of all the burdens, and that you will receive your blessings. This could also be a part of your manifestations. You look, number 8 is an abundance. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The challenge in this reading is the Knight of Staves. Again, this is a Casanova energy. Could be that your ex is going to approach you, is going to return. Remember, we are still in Mercury and Venus retrograde. Your ex never learned their lesson. If this is your ex, if this is a new person, it's just the same. The only ones to have an adventure with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, or a one-night stand. If a person is adoring and admiring you, it doesn't mean that they loves you. Be very careful because we are still in Mercury retrograde and or Venus retrograde. For some of you, this is your energy. You are very passionate and driven. Could also that this person viewed you as hot and excited. I don't know. Hot, passionate, excited. I don't know. But this person is not a real deal. Could also that this person wants to distract your focus energy. For most of you, this is your energy because you want to take an action with your creative spark, because you want to bring your dreams into a reality and align with your passion. And that you accept this challenge. You are very passionate and driven. And there are lots of people who are captivating on your aura because of your passion. But also that somebody who wants to start a passionate relationship with you. Passionate relationship is not a real deal. Be very careful. And this is the past situation for some of you guys. You have learned your lesson and you are no longer engaging with them anymore. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let me see. The past energy is the Six of Pentacles. This is balance. You have balance in your life, or you are finding balance in your life. Could also that there are people who wants to give you balance. This could be the past people. In the past, you are supporting them financially. You are always investing in this relationship, in this situationship. But they are not reciprocating you. They are only using and abusing you. Could also be that this is related to a charity and you are the one who is working in this situation. Could also be related to a relationship. You are giving too much and you are not here reciprocated. There is no balance here. There is no give and take. And now you once gave and take. You are tired of giving and you are not reciprocating, or you are not giving the same, the fair give and take. Could be that this person wants to give you balance. Could be a group of 6 people. I don't know who they are. Or you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. For some of you, you are no longer generous to them. It could also be that they are, or they needs your support. Could also that these are in your family. I don't know who are they. This is the past situation. Take only what fits in your story. If this is a new person, this person wants to give you balance, wants to give you give and take. Could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let me see. The present energy is the 5 of Cups. Oh my gosh. Somebody here is so sad, feeling lost and disappointed. It could also be the result of their actions in the past. I don't know what they have done on you. You could be dealing with a group of 5 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 666, 5, 55, or these are your birthday number. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you guys, the number 5 is, this is unexpected change. Number 6 is that you're going to reflect everything, especially if there are people in the past who wants to return. It could also be that they need your support. You look, somebody here is feeling regretful and remorseful. They regret how they treated you in the past. It could also that this person, a group of people, are in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. You look, they are so regretful of their actions in the past on how they treated you. For some of you guys, it could also that this is your energy. You are regretful and remorseful because you focus all your time, your effort, your money, and your love to this group of people in the past. And they are not reciprocating you. And I fully understand. Because for you, it is a waste of time. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to do not cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. The past couldn't be changed. It can only be accepted. You have always an infinite potential to change this negative situation into a positive one. Take only what fits in your story. If this is a new person, could be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. Because this is the energy of a fellow Scorpio. And this person is disappointed, regretful, and remorseful. I don't know what they have done on you in the past. I don't know what is the story of this person. If this is a new person. Somebody who is feeling regretful, remorseful, and disappointed. It could also be that this person couldn't give you balance, couldn't give you, couldn't offer you too much. And that's why somebody is disappointed if this is a new person. Either an earth sign or a fellow water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Let me see. The future is the 4 of Wands. This is related to your home, your stability, your solid foundation. For some of you guys, you have here an assured success, a milestone of your success. Congratulations. It could also be related to teamwork and collaboration. Or there could be a celebration here. Includes with your family. Could also be includes the community. It could also be an engagement, a wedding, a birthday party, a baby shower, or an anniversary. It could also be a simple family gatherings, reunion, clan. Others of you guys, the universe advises you to step back, to celebrate and to enjoy the fruits of your labor. The more you are very thankful and grateful, the more you will be blessed. If you are single, somebody have viewed you as a marriage material. They want to marry you. They want to give you a home or a solid foundation, includes children. It could also be that for some of you, if you are already married, somebody from your family wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Could also be that they mess you up, or there could be a misunderstanding in the past, a grudges. Could be a group of 4 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 4 in this reading, 44 as well. You could be born on the 4th of the month. You could be 44 years old, 55 years old, 54 years old, 45 years old, 64, 1964. Could also be 65, 1965, 56, 5566. These are the significant number for you in this reading. You have here a celebration, a milestone of your success. Congratulations. Let me see. Could also be that this is a fire sign. Either you are attracting or dealing a fire sign for some of you as well. Could also be that this person wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Or if you are single, this person wants to marry you. Let me see. Your attitude is the Page of Swords. Somebody far from a distance is spying on you through your platform in social media. This person is strategizing and analyzing how to approach you because they viewed you as defensive. For some of these people, guys, it could also be that these are the hackers on the net, or these are the people who are spying and stalking on you like a hawk. Could also be the past people, because they are curious of what you are doing, because they are guilty of what they have done on you in the past. Could also be that this is a young person, younger than you, or you are younger than this person, and this person is strategizing and analyzing how to approach you. He wants to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. They are gathering some information about you through social media. Be very strategic, because we are still in Mercury retrograde and Venus retrograde. The planet of communication is in retrograde. That's why be very strategic in communicating nowadays. There could be a misunderstanding or hurtful words will happen. I feel like there are lots of people who are watching on you if you have platform in social media. This is like all eyes on you. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. This is the outside influence. Sorry, guys. This is the Page of Wands, a Sagittarius energy. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. Could also be a young person, younger than you. I feel like you are going to receive a message, a good news, an information, or somebody who wants to call you. If they know your number, this person wants to have a passionate relationship with you, or you are the one to them. For some of you guys, I feel like this is your energy. You are very excited. You are very passionate and driven. You are very enthusiastic. Or this is the feelings of this person towards you. They viewed you as an exciting... Sorry, guys. Again, Mercury retrograde. They viewed your energy as full of excitement. And this person wants to approach or to send you a message. Could be a Sagittarius. This is your challenge. Could also be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is the outside influence, sorry. And they could be the ones to send you a message or they wants to call you. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the Knight of Pentacles. This is a Capricorn energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Capricorn younger than you, or you are younger than this person. This person wants to offer you a stability. This person is not a risk taker. This person is still working their career, their financial success and stability. They will approach you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, slowly but surely. For most of you, this is your energy. You are continuing what you have started in the past. The universe advised you to, your first energy is the Eight of Pentacles, to stay focused. Don't get distracted. This is your first card, the Eight of Pentacles. Could also that this person wants to offer you a golden opportunity. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The outcome in this reading is the Sun. Wow. Do. Here comes the sun. And I'll say it's alright. Yes, the sun is here. There could be an illumination of everything hidden in the dark because truth always comes into light. It could also be that there is a child involved in this illumination. For some of you, this is related to your healing journey. You choose to heal and to be happy. You accept your flaws and your weaknesses. And now you are free of guilt. This is your feelings because for some of you guys, everything is clear on you. Or it could also be that this is a surprise because there could be an illumination here of all the things. This is related to your happiness. It could also be that you are going to receive a surprise that makes you happy. I don't know what this is all about. Could also be that these are the exposure of all the hidden agenda caused with this person or group of people in the past. Could also be related to money. I don't know. Could also be related to children. If this is a new person, this person viewed you as a healer. This person wants to be happy with you. This person could be a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. If this is the past person, they wants to heal the trauma, the grudges between you and them. Because they couldn't beat you, they will join you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and congratulations with your assured success here. I love this card for you guys. In the past, this person couldn't stand your light because your light is shining bright. Clarify me further. Why the Five of Cups in this reading? Why the Five of Cups, sir, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as new beginnings. Begin your new life. Wow. That's why, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, don't get stuck with the old situation. Eradicate this negativity. You cannot change the past. Move on. Because you have a new life, or these are the feelings of the past people composed of 5 people who mess you up. And now they are feeling regretful and remorseful because you have a new life. This is the beginning of a new life. They doesn't want you to move on for whatever reason. Could be because of jealousy and envy, or they are disappointed because they doesn't want you to move on. They want you to be like them. But you have a new beginning. A beginning of your new life. You look, it's so wonderful. And that's why there are people who are disappointed because in the past, They wants you to be like this, that you are disappointed, that you are remorseful, regretful, for leaving them behind, for focusing your work. And in the end, they are the one who is regretful and remorseful. You have her a powerful new beginning. You look at this picture because you are focusing on the big picture. Congratulations. But there are people who are sad, but you don't care. You did your hard work and you deserve it. Could be a group of 5 people, or you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces in the past. And they are now sad, regretful, and remorseful. Clarify me, Father, why the sun in this reading? Tell me more about the sun here, please. Here comes the sun. It is clarified as dolphin. Don't worry, be happy. I told you. Because your happiness is here. Everything is clear to you now. This is your abundance, the new beginning. You look, a new beginning, an abundance life. Don't worry, be happy. Yes, this is the energy of a dolphin. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart, and this person could be one of this group of people who are regretful and remorseful of what they have done on you. Could be a collaboration of a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Leo is involved here. And now, while you are happy because your manifestations and your dreams come true, they are regretful and remorseful of what they have done on you because they couldn't be the part of your celebration. You look, you have here a celebration, the 4 of Wands, the milestone of your success. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the Knight of Wands in this reading? Who is this Casanova? Why the Knight of Wands in this reading? It is clarified as animal bond. Stand up for all animals. Oh. Could also be that this person is working in an animal, could be an animal organization. Could also be in zoological area. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or they viewed you that you are passionate and driven, and you are, you love the animals as well. I don't know, maybe this person as well could have an animal, a pet, or you are the one who had a pet. I don't know, this is all about. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Clarify me, Father, why the Page of Swords in this reading? Oh my gosh. It is clarified as creative wonderment. Follow your passion. You are advised to follow your passion. Yeah, look. This is the clarification of the Page of Swords. It could also that there are lots of people who are stalking and spying you through social media because of your passion, because you are following your passion. This is creative wonderment. Could also be that you are advised to follow your passion. Could also be that for the meantime you are indecisive, you are thinking what to do, you are analyzing, and you are advised to follow your passion. This is related to your creativity, to show it to the world, or you are showing your creativity to the world, and that's why there are lots of people who are stalking and spying on you through social media. They viewed you as very passionate and driven. And an air sign is involved here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, because somebody have viewed you that you are very passionate and driven, right? Clarify me, Father, why? Why the 6 of Pentacles in this reading, please? It is clarified as resilience, rise above the tribulations. I told you, double confirmation, because you have heard the 9 of Wands. You rise above the tribulations, of course. And this is the clarification of the 6 of Pentacles. That's why you have balance, because you're working hard And aside from that, you stand in your integrity. You are tired. You feel like you're a wounded warrior. But you are determined to continue. Because, you know what, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, you are being rewarded. Rewarded here. Again, Mercury retrograde. Wow. Somebody here wants to give you balance. You look, and this is because you stand in your integrity, because you are very resilient. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the Eight of Pentacles here, please. It is clarified as choices. Make the best choice. You have lots of opportunity. You have lots of choice. You are advised to be wise and pick and choose the right one. You have already success here. The Eight of Pentacles, because you are working, no one can stop you. You are unstoppable. Because this is your abundance. You are heading towards your abundance. Number 8 is, what goes around comes back around. Those people who mess you up in your career, in your creativity, in your work, in your investment or business venture are now receiving the karma. While you are receiving your abundance. You have lots of choices. So please choose wisely. Clarify me, Father, why? Why the Five of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more about the Five of Cups in this reading. It is clarified as forgiveness, return, sorry. Oh, somebody here wants to say, sorry, Scorpio, forgive me, I want to reconcile. It's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You could be a group of 5 people in the past, composed of a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This could also be your ex or the past people. And it's up to you if you're going to forgive them. They are so sad, so regretful. Oh my gosh. Clarify me, Father. Why the Knight of Pentacles in this reading? Tell me more about the Knight of Pentacles here, please. It is clarified as time, waiting, cycles, moments. This person is waiting the right time. The right moment. He wants to approach you. He wants to offer you a stability. Could be a Capricorn. If this is a past person, this person is running out of time. Could also let this person mess you up in the past. Could be a Capricorn or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the Page of Staves here, which is the Page of Wands. It is clarified as longing, craving, aching, and wanting. This person could be a Sagittarius. Could also be a young person, younger than you. This person is craving in your energy. If this is your ex, they are longing and wanting you. My beautiful souls is Scorpio, because you look so attractive and passionate. You are so hot. And this person feel that you are a person who is full of excitement. And that's why they are longing and craving on your energy. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Clarify me, Father. Why? Oh my gosh. Why the Four of Wands, sir? Please tell me more about the Four of Wands. It is clarified as broken, shattered, heartbroken, destroyed. Could be an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Could also be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person could be in your family. Could also be your ex. They are shattered. They are heartbroken because their dreams are shattered. Because they are coming against you in the past. Not only they are heartbroken, they are also regretful and remorseful of what they have done on you. They want to apologize with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And it's up to you. After all what they have done on you, Could be a group of 4 people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. They couldn't celebrate with the milestone of your success because you cut off the ties. You're enough with the BS. Clarify me, Father. Why? Oh my gosh. Why the 9 of Spades in this reading? Which is the 9 of Wands. It is clarified as conflict, clashing, differences, and compatibility. Oh my gosh. In the past, I feel like this person engaged you to troubles, drama, and conflict. And now they couldn't in and out of your life. It's because of incompatibility. It could also be that both of you having different nationality, different culture, different religion, different beliefs. I don't know. And they couldn't in and out of your life anymore. This is also the energy of an earth angel. You could also be an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, a choosing one. Of course, not all of you, because there is a fellow Scorpio involved here. If you are on the right path, this is your readings. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the sun here? To finalize. Why the sun here, please? It is clarified as clinging, holding, obsessing, and spying. Oh my gosh, double confirmation. The Page of Swords. Not only one person who is obsessing on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, but also a Leo involved here, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and it could also be that this is the people who are stalking on you through social media. It's because they viewed you as very passionate and driven. Could also be that you are, you are posting your creativity in social media. And that's why they are feeling inspired by you. Not only inspired by you, but they are obsessing on you as well. You look, if these are the past people, they couldn't let you go. They're still clinging and spying on you. This is the part of their karma, and a Leo is involved here because this is the clarification of the sun. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.